Welcome back. After former Pakistan Minister Fawad Chaudhry had reposted Arvind Kejriwal's tweet on polling, heaping praise on Arvind Kejriwal, the BJP has lashed out at the Indie bloc. BJP spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla has said that after dua and ibadat for Rahul Gandhi, now comes support for Bharat Dushman Pakistan to Kejriwal. Further adding and questioning, is this why the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party doubted surgical strikes and Balakot, giving a clean chit to Pakistan on terror cases recently? Well, Kejriwal has also hit back. In fact, he said elections are taking place in India. It's our internal matter. India will not tolerate interference from the biggest sponsors of terror.
आखिर ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? मतलब भारत के खिलाफ जो विष उगलने वाले, पाकिस्तान में बैठने वाले देश के जो दुश्मन हैं, वो पहले राहुल गांधी को एंडोर्स करते हैं और आज उनको अरविंद केजरीवाल में होप एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी नजर आती है। मतलब कि आज इंडिया अलायंस का हाथ पूर्ण तरीके से पाकिस्तान के साथ, क्योंकि क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए, पहले इंडिया अलायंस के लोग वोट जिहाद की बात करते हैं, पाकिस्तान से लगातार ट्वीट और दुआएं आती है राहुल गांधी के लिए भी, अरविंद केजरीवाल के लिए भी, और एक के बाद एक इंडिया अलायंस के नेता पाकिस्तान को आतंकवाद पर क्लीन चिट देते हैं। याद है ना कैसे विजय वड़तीवार ने, कसाब ने नहीं मारा था हेमंत करकरे को, परंतु भारतीयों ने मारा था, ये कहकर पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट दी। पूंछ में स्टंटबाजी हुई, ये चन्नी ने कहा। फिर पुलवामा पर राजा वड़िंग से लेकर हरियाणा कांग्रेस के प्रत्याशी ने क्लीन चिट पाकिस्तान को दे दी। तो ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है?
Anshul joins us for more on this. Anshul, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? It's strange, isn't it? You have the former Pakistani minister Fawad Chaudhry heaping all these praises first at Rahul Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal, and this perhaps is only strengthening the BJP's case and weakening the opposition's entire attack at the government.
Well, definitely, but the manner in which it has been handled by the Aam Aadmi Party definitely talks a lot about how political thinking minds of the Aam Aadmi Party have just smashed this out of the park by replying to Fawad Chaudhry in the same manner, making sure that the Bharatiya Janata Party is not allowed to make an issue out of this time around. Last time around, when Fawad Chaudhry had tweeted in favor of Rahul Gandhi, it became a massive political issue. The top brass of the BJP actually made sure that this issue is blown out of proportion, and we saw that each and every one came out and commented about this. But this time around, as soon as Fawad Chaudhry put out this tweet or this post on X for the Delhi Chief Minister, in just a matter of minutes, the Delhi Chief Minister replied to him saying that we are capable enough of making sure that we stay safe, but you need to look at how Pakistan is functioning. So definitely the Aam Aadmi Party making sure that this time around that opportunity is not granted to the Bharatiya Janata Party to take out any benefits from this tweet that has been done by Fawad Chaudhry. But this is also a big question. Why is Fawad Chaudhry actually tweeting about India? Why is he so interested in tweeting about the leaders in India? This is a big question.
Oh, absolutely. This is what he tweeted. May peace and harmony defeat forces of hate and extremism. This is what Fawad Chaudhry has written on social media platform X. Clearly in a show of support for Arvind Kejriwal, and also as a veiled attack on the Prime Minister and the BJP government. I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us, Anshul, and telling us the latest on this controversy that has been brewing for quite some time. Time for us to take a short break. All right, that's the tweet that that's the tweet of Mr. Chaudhry that I've just read out. But with that, we're going to take a short break. On the other side, news and updates continue. Keep watching.